So let's get down to business. Barcelona against Real Madrid. Well, you can really feel the sense of occasion here. El Clasico, one of the biggest derbies in the world. The intense rivalry between these two huge Spanish clubs makes it one of the very best. Messi! Sergio Busquets. Di Maria. Sergio Busquets. He plays it towards the corner flag. Rafael Varane. Arbeloa. Sergio Busquets has robbed him. Wayward delivery. The coach will not be happy. Xavi will swing one in. Iniesta shoots! Just off target. Piqué. Cleared away from immediate danger. Cesc Fabregas. Kedira. Rafael Varane was fouled and he gets his free kick. And that is a yellow card. I think he knew it was coming too as soon as he went in for the tackle. Put him under pressure now, you just can't go around diving in for challenges like that. Benzema looking to play on the break. He's got possession now, maybe a chance. Here's a shot!
Well, for me, he had a very decent crack at it, but it has to be said that the odds on those from distance were never really that good, and you'd always favour the keeper in that instance.
Mesut Ozil tried to play it through. He's onside here. Mascherano with some good covering. Xabi Alonso. Jordi Alba cuts out what was really a sloppy pass. Xavi. Here's Neymar.
It's lovely to look at, and if they just step up the pace a bit, they could carve out that opening.
Arbeloa. Cesc Fabregas. Chance to counter-attack here.
Well, he just ran down a cul-de-sac then, no wonder he lost the ball.
Cesc Fabregas. The ball's with Iniesta. Vital interception there. Fabio Coentrao. Half-time is now upon us. Goalless then at this stage. So the second half gets underway. Mesut Ozil. Kedira. Di Maria. Plays it wide towards the byline. Arbeloa has the ball in a wide position. Di Maria shoots! And the chance accepted with some aplomb. And the game finally comes to life in the second half. What are your thoughts on the goal, Jim Beglin?
That's a striker's dream. Unmarked in front of goal. It was on a plate for him and he wasn't going to miss it.
So we start again at 1-0.
Oh, half-time has been a blessing for this team. You know, what a great start to the second half.
He did well to get it. What next? Messi's got it. Messi shoots! Some hopeful faces waiting in the middle. A header this time.
Just as well the defender was on hand to mop up the loose ball.
Neymar. Xavi on the ball. You have to admire that control. Iniesta! Tremendous from Iniesta, and how vital might that be for Barcelona? Find some words to do justice to that goal.
Well, he's got the result there, but you really have to question that defence, or lack of it.
They kick off with parity restored.
Yeah, in a game like this, every chance is vital, but they're back on level terms.
Out towards the byline, looking to cut inside. Plenty of options. Who's he looking to pick out? And that ball picked up by the keeper. He's got possession now, maybe a chance. Here's Iniesta, and suddenly the defence is on the back foot. Oh, well defended. And Messi. Iniesta's got it. Now, surely, strikes it. A goal for Barcelona. And with that, the comeback's complete. Well, what can you say about that goal?
Neymar just knew instinctively where the ball was going to end up. That's clearly been worked on the training ground, and the understanding is pretty exceptional between them, and it was beautifully worked.
Barcelona now up by a goal.
I just think this has been a lesson in character, togetherness and composure. I think most teams would have crumbled by now, but this refusal to give up was brilliant.
Hits the ball. Oh, that should have been it.
What a huge let-off that was. Conceding them would really have left them a mountain to climb.
Fabio Coentrao. He plays the ball out wide. He's waiting here. Xabi Alonso will drive this corner in. Pumps it upfield. Here's Cesc Fabregas. The break is on. Cesc Fabregas. He's making a good run here. Full-time whistle within sight. So there it is, and that concludes today's contest. They showed plenty of resolve individually and maturity as a team. They didn't panic, they kept plugging away at the opposition, and it paid off.